Like, listen to me carefully, just listen to me. They hear wetin your wife dey tell you. Your wife dey tell sense for you, make you dey listen to am. Now, no be say you no owe money, but listen to wetin your wife tell you. And na the right thing when woman go tell im husband, na be this. You say you no sabi, and na true im talk, you no sabi. You no sabi. If you sabi, your wife no go tell you say, because na him dey close to you, I no dey close to you much like that. But see where brother Mike wife dey address the husband, say come, your way of dressing, no you think say you dress well. The way of dressing no dey palatable. Abeg, make una hear wetin brother Mike wife talk. Does it actually in line, and is she in the right track to address your husband, tell your husband yeah, exactly say this thing no dey in line? No really.
Abeg, still help me advise am.
So they go bully me?
They always dey disgrace me. Why?
I
you go dress finish now. Wetin come be this one? You be cow. Abi you be all those Hausa when they use cow dey waka.
I be cow. You dey call me cow?
No. Okay, wait now. More we talk now. Like, let's discuss. You dress, you wear singlet, wear shirt, t-shirt, wear jeans, wear timber. Okay, let's assume this timber now and this jeans when you wear. Okay, let me say similar resemblance. You understand?
You look like cow.
What? No. By yourself, now look yourself for me. What is the meaning of this one? Why you always dress like illiterate?
They go see cussing on social media. Come say I look like we no get money. You see that the cow.
To put some sense into it. What if this one mean? This green. Whether na green, I don't know the color.
You never said like this. You don't feel like this.
This is riot. Okay, let's assume not na black. Okay, fair. Black shirt. You understand? What did this green they do for here now? Many school where you need to go, adult school to get some senses. Secondly, fashion school to dress like.
Ha!
You never imagine why they follow the grass. You don't they disgrace me.
Hey!
Dressing. And
if anything happen to me, all Nigeria responsible. So if you join Nigeria, there's something like this.
No,
it's look like cow.
You don't look just Jesus.
Yeah, cow again.
Are you not suffocating? Don't let me look. Who tell them that word? Steer me and vice versa. Now, so if first they go that they
see, take time. Nigeria dey insult me.
When you go there,
this my picture.
Not they wear them again. If you go, they will be Hausa goats. Now you still dress now finish.
I be Hausa goats.
Say I don't dress finish. Let me follow you come and say, come wear these coats.
I be Hausa goats.
A jacket. Okay, just pull and let me see. How you be? No, how you be now for this appearance now? Then you wear this thing, all those aboki when they use cow they waka. Oh yeah, wear and now see the difference.
So you say I be like Hausa goat.
When even they choose me, I don't know where I go.
See, now I know where my problem come from. Listen, if or like can come in say I be poor man, I look like I no get money. So say I be money misroad. So now you come, you told me say I look like Hausa goat.
I will always tell you.
So I be goat.
Any woman when they man has one will look in man. Tell her if you don't say you do bad, you not do bad, you will be looking and say you cannot correct. You are a foolish woman. You are there for the money, not for love.
So I be good.
If me dress like
you love me, you love me. You love me.
I love you. Let me be this one. I tell you this. Because if you know that you're the look, you will be
so as I be now, be like this now. I be like who get money.
Like this.
I don't like when they say the same I be money means road. And then I look like who get money now.
I don't know. See your hair, see your beard. You can never.
I don't video. I don't video. No baby you go talk.
I don't say I to the shout. So
the reason why you hardly follow me go ask now because say I look like goat.
Yes.
So
even when I'm trying to tell you what you are putting on is not good.
God, poverty. They told me to go because of poverty. Oh God. Social media edit my head, put my head for video, and they are still using it to comment on my video.
Your case is money misroad. That is why you're 30 millionaire.
I'm 30 millionaire.
Look at your hair. As a celebrity, you look presentable.
Jesus.
You understand? You look clean. You can never cut some fresh. You? Oh God.
The worst mistake we any man make for life after marry person will be say bad woman. Bad woman will give you BP.
What is
you come online to bully? I will arrest you.
Hold on. What is your definition of a bad woman? Is it that woman that always corrects you what you are doing is wrong?
No, I don't look like goat now.
That's your definition.
I look like goat. Why look like a goat?
I will just be looking at you. Anything you like, you do. You chop shit, you chop peas, you fall for gutter. You know they send you.
No problem.
That is your definition.
No problem. See, information.
As long as I'm with
you want to my leg.
Hold on. Under this roof, I will continue telling you the truth. take it or you leave it. Your old age, now you will tell me.
Old age. Okay, good.
I'm not your mother. So I will train you. I dey look like my small mama.
Alright, see, information getting right now the same. The name of the list of the people when they use that picture, they comment for my video, and they don't arrest about 16. Now then they go Abuja, they go to White House for Abuja underground prison. So if you know say your head correct, okay, see, avoid that picture. Stop using it to comment.
Even when you wear that pants, just ring and bead, that it better pass now.
Who wear this ring?
Go wear that coat.
Who wear this ring pants?
How you wear now?
So you don't want to give my black me, Abi?
If I saw you want to arrest people, you will start from me.
God bless you.
Because I was present when you wore that this ring and bead.
Oh yeah.
Celia, prison. Mariana, prison.
You go don't try.
Now I see that help you talk now.
Every time we Abi, I want make video back the people they suck me like come and say Abi. You can't even add more.
No, I just came out to correct you because what you are putting on, I don't lie at all.
I don't understand what I look like.
You look fine. You look fine now. Yes, as a responsible man, you are also please try to get some shame. Your neck and your hand needs something to collabo. You see these jeans? I mean this jacket. Ah, my God. You need to go many school to build your mother.
Who's can school and go? Adult school. My wife make I go adult school. You see how shameless you'll be seeing how this girl Utuma they fool me Abi. All of them they support this girl.
Hold on, adult school and fashion school all together and together they collect some sense. If you understand, give a common sense. Number 6. Since I know the fashion.
Come and go vote. Both and they work together. I think so. Yes, you guys are working together.
Baba say your mouth is well.
No, he ain't chatting. Don't worry.